Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Block Blast glitch. If your Block Blast game is lagging, freezing, or not opening properly, don't worry, it's usually caused by small glitches or old cache data. These issues can be fixed easily by following a few simple steps. Clearing the app's cache, checking for updates, and restarting your phone can help the game run smoothly again without any problems. First, hold the Block Blast game icon on your mobile device until a menu appears. Then, tap on the info icon to open the app settings. Here, tap on Storage and Cache. Now, tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing the glitch. After that, go back and open the Play Store. In the search bar, type Block Blast and tap on it from the results. Here, make sure your app is updated. If an update is available, tap on Update to install the latest version. Once the update is complete, go back and restart your phone. This helps refresh your system and fix any small issues. After restarting, open the Block Blast game again. It should now work better and run without glitches. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.